What's up guys, welcome back to Ride with Thumper. Today I'm going to be showing you my top 5 GoPro mounts for riding motorcycles. But before we get going, why don't you give this video a like and subscribe. Watch this video through to the end to see a bonus GoPro mount, then check out the links below. I've got links to every GoPro mount in this video. Number 5, we've got the GoPro brand suction cup mount. This has a suction cup on the bottom, and it's got an arm that can turn, a little pivot there, GoPro mount at the top. These are nice because you can stick them to any bodywork. They hold on pretty good. I do, however, recommend using a tether with them because with heat, they can lose grip and fall off. At number 4, I've got the bolt-on GoPro mount. So it's a little offset here. It's got a bolt hole and then a standard GoPro mount right here. What I like using this for is on my R1, I will throw it on the mirror. The spot where the mirror would go for when I'm doing a track day, I'll throw it on there. But you can pretty much put whatever bolt through it that's close to the right size. At number 3, I've got this extension. This is 2 pieces right here, and I've got it mounted to a standard GoPro mount at the bottom. These come really in handy for putting the camera at the right angle wherever you want it. These can be used with any of the GoPro mounts that I'm showing today. Now our runner-up for my favorite GoPro mounts is going to be this clamp mount right here. With this clamp mount, it goes pretty big for scale there, and then it goes all the way almost completely tight. So this is really good. You can clamp this onto mirrors, clamp it onto pegs, whatever it'll fit over really. And it's got a rubberized face on here that's going to protect from scratches. You can tighten it down nice and tight. And then this ball attachment here lets you turn it any direction you want to get the shot perfect. And now, number 1, my number 1 favorite GoPro mount for motorcycling. Sticky mounts. These things pretty much are gold to me. I use them all the time. Use them in different locations, on the track, on the street. The thing about these is you've got your curved ones and then you've got your straight ones. And the thing is with these is you can get a bunch of them for really cheap. And the adhesive on them is extremely good. If you apply these properly, the 3M adhesive is going to hold for years if you want it to. It's also very removable if you don't want it to. Most of the problems I see with people using these mounts, claiming that they're crap, that they fall off, most of it I believe is in an incorrect application. So for these mounts, you want to use a little bit of heat to apply them, and then you want to apply them preferably with pressure. If you can put some kind of clamp or something on them to hold a slight amount of pressure on them for the first 24 hours, that's really ideal. And then, like I say, wait 24 hours before using it. And if you do that, I mean, I have these mounts on my helmet for 5 years at a time, no problem. The last thing really isn't a mount at all, but the Insta360 extendable selfie stick. This thing is nice because it's a selfie stick, but then just with a push turns into a tripod. And I have on here a quick disconnect head on this for using with my cameras. Makes it really convenient. But this is pretty much the main stick I use when I'm not on the bike. So you can use it as a tripod, set it up at a corner, ride past, or you could use it as a selfie stick like I do. Alright guys, well those were my top 5 favorite GoPro mounts for motorcycling, plus one bonus. That's all for today. Hope to see you on the next one.